Hi friends, this is Surojit Ray here. In the last 3 months, most of the counseling cases I have handled as a counselor were to do with the COVID-related crisis being currently faced by all of us. There are two facets to the current situation. One is fighting the virus if it attacks you or your loved ones. And second is combating the emotional, mental and financial stress this pandemic is causing for most of us. Thankfully, the first facet has now been taken care of by doctors to a great extent. We currently feel much more safe and secure since the line of treatment for COVID is now fairly well defined. COVID for sure is no longer as lethal as it used to be 3 months back. The death rate due to it is falling rapidly, the recovery rate is improving, and a significant portion of the population of India now has the antibodies in them to fight this virus. This somewhere hints towards the start of what we know as herd immunity. Also, drugs like Fabiflu and Remdesivir are showing very effective and encouraging results in those inflicted by COVID. So all in all, things look much more brighter and safe as of now. However, having said this, people are yet to come to terms fully with the emotional, mental and financial stress this pandemic is currently causing. Also, most states in India are plodding very cautiously on opening up business and establishments, and hence commencement of operations in the country in full flow seems unlikely far too soon. The fear of another complete lockdown also looms over our head if things slip out of control. So, for sure, students shall be seeing online education continue for a few more months. Similarly, private offices may open their doors only at a later date, maybe towards the end of 2020. Accordingly, work from home may still be the norm for a few months more. As a counselor, I am receiving a lot of panic calls from people suffering from anxiety attacks, panic attacks, and momentary depression caused due to the current peculiar situation. A few extreme cases in fact required immediate medication as well. So the goal behind making this video is to summarize everything that we all should do in these testing times. Today, not everybody has the luxury to visit a counselor. Hence, I am myself reaching out to people at large through this video and sharing some guidance and to-dos for salaried people, businessmen, students and housewives so that they can successfully combat these testing times. This video is relevant only for the current situation. I am posting it on 2nd August 2020. I pray that life comes back to normal very soon and this video becomes irrelevant thereafter. However, till normalcy is restored, this video shall be really helpful to you, whatever is your age or gender. This is a self-reading short video. Hence, please read every word hereafter very carefully and try to implement these suggestions in your life as soon as possible. You may already be following some of the suggestions here. Start following the rest as well. As I part, I hope and pray that this video helps you stay resilient and gives you the courage and strength to tide through this difficult moment. You are very strong and powerful. Always remember that. We have all seen difficult times in our lives before. This situation is no different. So please stay calm, brave, and just fight out the current situation. That is the only choice we all have. All the very best. Happy reading to you hereafter. Please go through this brief video in full without skipping any portions. Thank you so much.